Hey, this is solution to your Ansible another video. Say today our is a jinja template. What is a jinja template? Jinja template is a variable including static value and dynamic value. On powerful things about the template, you can have the basic data field but see the variable generate the value dynamical based on the distribution constraint. We are just where static data input and dynamical data. Here is a Ansible template. Jinja is a templating in dynamic expression. Also, uh, you can create template configure the deploy configuration file the environment the supply correct IP address route address this environment you can also template playbook you have the template. Let's go. We are right. First of all, we are need to just demo file. It is the first jinja template. Here is right. It is a declaration for I insert forward groups all groups all host bars Ansible default. It is the IP address. It is a fully qualified domain. It is a host name. It is a memory. It is for loop is int. Let's go. Just where save and exist. Now we're right to our YAML language. Temp demo all just here is the source. Here is a destination. All would have a destination. Let's go. You can new here my channel. Here is a Red Hat RHCE and all playlist. You can how to write playbook. Here is the details. You can see I think have many idea. The silent solution. Here is the cloud Linux related
how to
video.
sound essential
Or
command
you can
W for
see and
bull
many
or
idea. I think have many idea here and many video or related topics. Let's go. Just we're safe. Exit. Yeah. Now we're check our playbook syntax. Temp S O Y N T A X syntax. Check. Is done. We're now also try to dry run. Not playbook run, just run to dry run. Our dry run is okay. Now is into the play start play. Yeah. This is start play. Now we will see how to it is working or not working. Just we type here and interface. Yeah, it's all remote hosted. Here is hostname, IP address, hostname, fully qualified domain, and we are all hosted fully qualified domain. Here is you can see just clear have get etc host hosted. There is no any fully called and just server.com where here is settings our domain name that's where is C fully qualified domain but memory play. Thanks for watching. When next Jinja template 2, just one play, just one by one try play. Thanks for